Good day, everybody. I've got this solar battery wireless security camera here by VIZUUY. These guys sent this to me for unboxing and review. Let's check it out. All right, here's everything that comes with it. Got the solar panel, got the power cord that goes with it, and then that's where it mounts to in the back. Here's the camera, and in the camera, this is for mounting them, and this thing will go like this, like that. And then this is for the solar panel that screws right in the back of it. You mount that. And here's some templates if you want to use them that just match up with all the holes here. You can use those for drilling. I just drill them into the wood. I personally don't use these, but they're great to have. And actually they're stickers too. So you can stick them on, whatever you're mounting it to. And then you got some different mounting fasteners as well. Now on this camera here, there's two openings. You got one up here, and then you got one here. This thing's got some protective covers over it, so leave that on until right after you mount it, or right when we're setting it up. We'll pull that off because we got to scan a QR code. But there's the reset button, power on and off here on the top, and that's where the USB goes for power. Now, if you need to charge this thing up before you mount it or hook it up to the solar panel, it just goes in right there. USB plug-in. I did plug it in for a little bit. Red light's on, that shows it's charging, but you don't need to do this. It'll charge just fine and hold a charge and work well with the solar panel. Okay, now what you're gonna have to do is download the Cloudedge software if you haven't already. I happen to have it already on my phone, but you can just scan one of these QR codes to download it. And what you'll do is register for the account. Just follow all the steps through there. It's pretty darn easy. Set the Wi-Fi up for it. The other thing to note is that it doesn't operate off 5G. You have to set your Wi-Fi to 2.4 or pick the 2.4 gigahertz signal. Right, you log into the Cloudedge software, then you tap that plus icon up there, and then it'll you'll tap battery camera to add the device. And when you do that, you go ahead and reset it, and you reset it by that button on the top. Just hold it down. Hold it down, I think, for 5 seconds. You select your Wi-Fi signal there, which is the 2.4. And then now what you want to do, this part's important. You want to use the camera to scan the QR code on the phone. So I'll have the QR code on the phone, then I'll hold that right in front of the camera, and the camera will beep and it'll let you know that the network configuration is successful. This thing's capable of a bunch of different stuff. It's got a siren on there. I'll show you all the functions of that, but it has human detection capabilities, nighttime. There's an audio warning and strobe light, and it's valid only at night. And you can share it as well across different devices. Peel the layers off this thing. There's the power on and reset right there. And it'll take a SIM card as well for memory. So I'm going to go ahead and reset it. Just hold that down. Okay, I held the power button down on the left side there to turn it on, and that's the red blinking light. Okay, I went ahead and installed the brackets for this. That's for the solar panel. That's for the camera itself. See that blue light on? That means it's working. Let's go ahead and pop it in there like that. It snaps right in. As for our solar panel, it's just going to screw right on there.